Hi everybody, I'm Helen, your instructor for Business 145. We will begin our instruction of business communication right off the bat. Our first live session will be held on Tuesday, October 15th, and you can join one of two sessions. The morning session at 7 a.m. Pacific time or the evening session at 5 p.m. Pacific time. I really want you there. We are going to be practicing our verbal business communication during our live sessions. That means you will be doing the talking and I will be doing the listening. In addition to that, your course will help you through written business communication, all the different types of communication, lots of examples, lots of practices, and that's what your assignments will focus on. Yellow Dig will focus on different topics that aren't available in your book or in your learnets. We'll be exploring different communication topics. It'll be fun. It'll be a fun class. But beware, there are lots of holidays and events going on. We're entering the holiday season. You've got Halloween here in October. It may or may not be important to you. In November, we have a holiday. We also have, I think it's Veterans Day in November. And we have Thanksgiving, which is a long holiday, and everyone wants to participate in Thanksgiving. And then we'll wrap up the class in early December. But I want you to be encouraged to get ahead on your assignments, get ahead on your learnings, so that whenever a holiday, an event, or a special day comes along, you have the time without worrying about class to enjoy it. We also have a couple of hurricanes brewing out there in the Gulf. If you are impacted by any of the storms, please contact me and let me know that you're safe, let me know you're okay, or that if you need extra time to complete your assignments. You've got assignments, you've got Learnits, you've got Yellow Dig, and we have our live sessions. That's how we learn at Bryan. In addition, you have a book that you can use for reference and lots of great examples. So join me on the 15th. Our live session will be held at 7 a.m. or 5 p.m. Pacific time. Oh, in addition, we've got daylight savings time also in there, which is going to impact live sessions in Arizona. Generally speaking, Pacific time is our guideline, 7 a.m., 5 p.m. on the 15th. We'll also be meeting on the 29th. We'll be meeting on November 12th and on November 26th. Check your announcements, check Zoom meetings, check live meetings, check all those links to make sure you have the right link and the right time for the correct session. I will see you then. I'm coming to you here from my backyard where it is a little breezy and the grandkids are swimming, so it might be a little noisy in the background, but you know me and you know what we're all about. I will see you on the 15th.